Hey, I see two people are on. Hello, hello. Where are these comments? Well, not comments, but the comments window. Alright, whatever. So, this is my little tutorial for those of you who go live on Facebook and you have a business, you have a logo of some sort. I'm gonna stop this music. Okay, so somebody gave me a thumbs up. For some reason, I cannot see the comments. April, are you hearing the music? Because I have my headphones in. Click. I'm so glad you commented. Because now the window for comments popped up. Okay. Are you hearing music? No? Okay. So I'm going to stop it since you aren't hearing it. Alright. We don't need it. Okay, so basically this is my tutorial on how to get your logo or any kind of artwork on Facebook Live on mobile. Yeah, I just realized my headphones are plugged in and I'm hearing the music only. That's okay. It's not necessary. So it's very easy. All you need to do is head on over to this Frame Studio. You can search for it in Google and search for Facebook Frame Studio or Frame Studio Facebook. And can I drop the comment link? No, I can't. Okay, I'll drop the link after. Right, so you head on over to that link that I will drop after this live is done. It's actually developers.facebook.com/products/frame-studio. So I'll make life easier and drop the link in the comments section. Alright, so if you use Business Manager, you can also use it. Well, yeah, you've seen the link right up there, right? You can access it here. So these are the two that I have created already. BQ for Business Queen, and then I have it spelled out. And you can click create a frame right here, but I'm going to show it the easy way by just searching for Frame Studio Facebook on Google and you'll get the link, or when I drop the link in the comments, you can click it and it will take you to this page. It's really easy, but I just felt like walking you all through it tonight. And you click create a frame. And it will take you to this window. If you use Business Manager, which is over here to manage your Facebook page, your business page, you can access it when you click create a frame. The same thing will come up and it's really easy. So this is why it's important to have a transparent version of your logo, because you do not want to have a white box around your logo like a picture. You'll be pasting a picture on top of you instead of just seeing a nice clean outline of your logo. It looks hella tacky. Okay, so get your different versions of your logo. You also need to have your white version, your all white version. You need to have a black version of your logo as well as your full color version. This is where having a full color only logo can become problematic, because when you place the logo on top of a particular background, let's say you're outside and there's a lot of light, it's not going to look very good. It may not even be very visible. So this is it here, mine in white, and it's transparent, so it just looks like there's nothing there and it's just a plain white box. But when I place it, you see the logo now, And I'm going to use the same version but place it in a different spot. So let's say I want to put it bottom center. That can work, and you can scale it down to suit the size you want. Hey Lyndon, no, you're not really late. And then when you hover over this, you get to see a preview of what it would look like. So I didn't put it all the way at the bottom because, you know, it's not my first time using it. So I already have an idea that to give room for these icons below, I'm not sure if this is the best spot anyway, because when you are on live and there are comments coming up, it might be difficult to read. So on my other two versions, I have put them to the top, either on the left or on the right, but you can choose where suits you best. And this works also, so it becomes a frame that is available for you to use as your profile pic on the go. So you don't always have to overlay your logo every time you take out a picture. It's already there on Facebook, so you can just snap and go. And for those of you who have iPhone, this is for when this landscape version shows how it would look when you go live using iPhone and you turn it to landscape. Yes, Cavell. You got your logo in transparent because that's the way things are done here at CDB Design Studio. There is no one version, only you get the full works. Alright, so it's very easy and simple. I'm going to go ahead and publish this. You just click next, give it a name. You can add keywords, but that's not really necessary. Oh, here's a tip I wanted to leave. If you are part of a particular cause or you have some particular mission and you want to, or you have a campaign going, you can create artwork to go with that campaign. Or if it's something that is, you know, like how you create a hashtag, this is a different way to get people involved. So, you know, you would have seen, oh, we complain that, oh, why Zuckerberg don't give us a Trini this? Or why don't we have pray for this country or pray for that country? Now you can go and create whatever cause you feel passionate about. Just make sure that it's transparent, your artwork is transparent, you upload it, and you rally your people for whatever cause that you believe in. So Zuckerberg has now put the power in your hands. So that's it basically. Click next. I will select the owner, myself, publish, and it's basically instantly available. The only thing too is that this is public, so other people can access it as well. But if that's a problem, I don't know, but I don't think it's going to be a problem for most people. So yeah, just sharing. I just discovered this yesterday and I decided I will share it with you all because sharing is caring. Okay then. Have a great Friday night, guys, and a good weekend. Bye.